In this session, we'll open the 4 drawings that will be used in our assembly, and then we'll start a new drawing that will become the assembly drawing. We'll start by opening the bearing file. Next, we'll click on the Open icon and then select the cap screw file. We'll now repeat this process to open both the base plate and collar files. Now we'll select the pull-down options window and then tile horizontally. After clicking within each of the drawing windows to make them active windows, we'll use the Zoom Real-Time and Pan icons to adjust each of the displays so that the entire image is displayed within a window. We'll now make the cap screw window the active window and then click on its Maximize icon. Now we'll click on the Layer Control box and turn off the display of all the layers except the object lines and the center lines, since these 2 layers contain the objects we wish to make into a block. We'll now click on the Make Block icon and then key in the name Cap Screw for the name of the block, and finally click on the Pick Point button. Now we'll position the crosshair as shown here and then click the left mouse button in order to define the insertion base point. In the window that has just appeared, we'll click on the Select Objects button. Now we'll select all the visible objects by using the mouse to define the selection window shown here, and then click the right mouse button to accept the selected objects. We'll now make sure that the Retain option is selected and then click on the OK button. The next step is to insert the block into our drawing. We'll start this process by clicking on the Insert Block icon. In the Insert window, we'll change the angle to -90 and then click on the OK button. As you can see, the block of objects moves with the crosshairs, which are located at the insertion point. We'll click the left mouse button to place the block as shown here. We'll now click on the Maximize icon to return to the 4 drawing windows and then adjust the display of the cap screw window. In order to construct an assembly drawing, we must define a 5th window. We'll do this by first clicking on the New icon and then selecting the Use a Template option and selecting the template file AutoCAD A-Title. The new window has opened full screen, so we'll use the mouse to resize and reposition it as shown here.